Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you 9 unknown facts about K-pop, TWICE, band and why this band is so unique. On this channel we are going to upload interesting K-pop news every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest K-pop news and trends. So let's get it started. 1. Some of the members were originally supposed to be in another group. 2. The band was formed in a TV competition series. 3. Some members were added after the competition was over. 4. TWICE releases music in different languages. 5. They've won some major awards. 6. They've also been honored by the Korean government's Creative Content Agency. 7. They've actually had exam questions made about them. 8. Their fandom is called Once. 9. Their latest album release, Eyes Wide Open, is already a classic and broke records. Please subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Comment below which video you wish us to do next and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.